If you're building in production with Tinybird, there's a very good chance that you have more than one workspace. And if you're paying for each of those workspaces on an enterprise plan, then you probably want to monitor your usage so you can know where you stand against that plan. That's what organizations are for. In this screencast, I'll show you around the organizations feature in the Tinybird UI so you can better track usage and billing across all of the paid workspaces on your Tinybird Enterprise Plan. Let's jump in. The organizations feature is designed to be used by teams on an enterprise plan. You can track all of the workspaces created and shared by your organization, the members of those workspaces, and the amount of data processed and stored by those workspaces against your enterprise plan commitment. Now, if you're on an enterprise plan and you've been given access to manage your organization, you'll see Manage Your Organization at the bottom of your list of workspaces in the Tinybird UI. When you click that, you'll see the organization dashboard, and here you have 4 navigation options. Let's go through each of them. The first and default tab is Commitment. Here you can see your enterprise plan commitment, including contract dates, the amount of processed data, and storage in your plan. You'll also see the amount of processed and stored data you have used against your plan, both in terms of raw bytes and as a percentage of overall plan consumption. Below that, you'll see a list of all billable workspaces on the plan and how they've contributed to that consumption, including any changes in the last few days. Next, you have the Workspaces tab, where you can see a list of all workspaces in your organization, both billable and unbillable, and the amount of data they have processed and stored. Next, you have the Members tab, which includes every Tinybird user with a shared domain under your organization. Now, for each member, you'll see the workspaces they have access to and their role in each one. And finally, you have the Monitoring tab, which has some sample usage of the organization's API endpoints that you can use free of charge to monitor enterprise usage with any external observability tools that you use. These endpoints will return a list of billable workspaces and the amount of processed or stored data by each workspace during the time period requested. The Tinybird Organizations feature is a great way to monitor your usage so you can avoid any billing surprises, make sure your team is efficiently using Tinybird, and stay on target to minimize any plan overages. If you have questions about the Organizations feature or how your usage is calculated, you can chat with us on Slack, or if you're on the enterprise plan, just reach out to your dedicated customer success engineer and they'll take care of you. Thanks. Have a good one.